In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize button styles and site styles. If you want your website to feel polished and consistent, updating your button design is a great place to start. Buttons play an important role in guiding visitors, whether you want them to click, sign up, learn more, or make a purchase. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to adjust your button styling using the Site Styles panel so your buttons match the overall look and feel of your site. To begin, open Site Styles by clicking the paintbrush icon. This is where you can manage the visual styling elements for your website in one place. Once you're inside, select Buttons. This section gives you control over how your buttons appear across the site, which helps create a more unified and professional design. You'll first choose the button type you want to edit. You can select from primary, secondary, or tertiary buttons. These different button types are typically used for different levels of emphasis. Primary buttons are usually the most important calls to action and are designed to stand out the most. Secondary buttons support the main action, while tertiary buttons are often more subtle and used for less prominent actions. Choosing the right type to edit depends on which button style you want to refine. After selecting the button type, you can start adjusting the appearance. Begin with the shape options. You can choose from fill, outline, pill, or square. Fill buttons tend to look bold and prominent, while outline buttons offer a lighter, cleaner appearance. Pill-shaped buttons have rounded edges and often feel softer or more modern, while square buttons create a sharper, more structured look. Pick the shape that best fits your brand and the overall style of your site. Next, adjust the padding. Padding controls the space inside the button around the text, which affects how large or compact the button feels. Increasing the padding can make a button easier to notice and tap, especially on mobile devices, while tighter padding creates a more minimal appearance. You can also update the border thickness. This is especially noticeable if you're using an outline style, but it can also influence the overall visual weight of any button. Then adjust the font weight to change how bold or light the button text appears. This small detail can make a big difference in readability and emphasis. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your updated button styles will now reflect the design choices you made,